evening, every friend and all my guests. Today I would like to introduce you a special place nearby my homesteading. Today is like 29 June. Now it's 4 o'clock afternoon. On the back is the small bird sanctuary, the way that we have been looked after, and it is safe for all the birds, the honeybee, and also for the wood rodent, tree rodent. Why is safe? Because we have very strong security. Here is the raptor and seashell, and another one is there, rodent. So this is the place that we are dreaming to build an experience for the traveler coming for the Cambodia, not just for the temple. My place can provide the Khmer culture experience, family attention, and also experience with the tropical garden. When in the morning when you wake up, you can hear the bird song, and also now I still can hear a lot of birds singing. And I walk through to my gate, Siem Reap Homesteading. You can see we have a natural spot. Around, and I walk inside into my Siem Reap Homesteading, and also there is my working place, and we have also that two bird chick that just hatched. I don't know if you can see or not. Oh, yeah, two bird chicks just see nearby to my working place. They are safe. And we are dreaming to build a tree house. We're dreaming to build the homestay that provide a tourist stay with my community. However, this project could not be launched. That we need all support from all the people around the world. And you can see the tree that provide a safe place for the bird. And we have a two colony of that honeybee. There one, and that another one. Oh, here that a rodent. That's my dog rodent. I have dropped the more detail in the description. You can learn about our project from there. Thank you for your time watching our video. Have a great day.